Welcome back to Rosing Survival. Today's video is on how to make your own multivitamins. This worm, it eats dirt, and think about all the different vitamins and minerals that you can get from eating a worm with some dirt in it. And I mean, if it's a real survival situation, you could eat about 2 or 3 worms in the morning, and that's just like eating 2 or 3 multivitamins. Chew it up real good. Those are nature's multivitamins right there. I like to chew them up real good. Might take some while to get used to, but at least you get your vitamins in the morning. Swallow it down. Free vitamins from nature. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you guys later.